Today we're making a cozy and comforting cauliflower potato soup, creamy, hearty, and completely vegan. We'll start by sautéing the onion and garlic in vegan butter. Cook until they're soft and just starting to turn golden. Next, add in your fresh thyme and rosemary and give it a stir for about a minute. Then toss in the cauliflower and diced potatoes. Stir well so everything gets coated in herby flavors, and let it cook for a few minutes. Now it's time to simmer. Pour in the vegetable broth, add a bay leaf, and season with salt and pepper. Bring it all to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Cover the pot and let it cook until the potatoes and cauliflower are fork tender. Once the veggies are soft, remove the bay leaf. Carefully transfer most of the soup into a blender and blend just until creamy. Don't overdo it, since potatoes can get gummy if blended too much. Leave a little bit of cauliflower, potato, and broth behind in the pot so you've got some texture and a rustic, chunky feel. To finish, stir in some fresh lemon juice. This brightens up all the flavors, so don't skip it. Taste and adjust the salt as needed. Now, ladle your soup into bowls and finish with your favorite toppings like green onions, croutons, or smoky vegan bacon bits. And there you have it, a simple, satisfying cauliflower potato soup that's perfect for chilly nights, easy meal prep, or whenever you want a big bowl of comfort. Visit Nuts and Twigs for details.